And we're back with another video. Recently, I was asked, what kind of skills should we be preparing for in order to be ready for the future? And I thought, what a great video topic. And therefore, here's the video for you. There's so many lists of top 10 skills of the future around. For example, the World Economic Forum just published their report called The Future of Jobs, and that listed their top 10. These skills include some of the topics we talk about in this channel. For example, creativity and originality, technology use and technology design, active learning, and learning strategies. To be fair, these skills have always been important and necessary, but it's still a good list to check out. I'll leave the link in description. LinkedIn also has a list, and this list is a little bit older, from 2019. Okay, not so old, but 2020 definitely changed my perspective of the world. So this list is interesting because they also added hard skills to the list, but you already know some of them. For example, blockchain, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence. What's interesting is that LinkedIn added sales also to this list of hard skills that is desired by companies. And that was surprising, but yeah, sales is difficult. We should definitely all learn how to sell ourselves better and position ourselves as products in the market. We love reading these lists because we want to see the skills we already have on the list and feel safe. Artificial intelligence, I know AI. Oh, thank goodness, I'm going to be safe from the robots. However, a lot of these lists come from the corporation's perspective. Basically, they're telling us, hey, study up. We want to hire this kind of people. Nothing wrong with that, but today let's think about it from our own perspectives. What kind of skills do we need for ourselves? For the next 10 to 20 years, thanks to the rise of AI and robotics, having skills and knowledge around AI, data analytics, IoT, cloud, and blockchain no doubt can help us find jobs. But from for-profit business perspectives, whatever can be automated should be automated for the sake of efficiency boost, cost reduction, and revenue growth. Companies are not charities for job training. They exist for profit. And humans get tired and need vacations, but machines don't even need a coffee break. Machines won't threaten to form unions either. AI will eventually learn to write and debug code itself without human intervention. This is already happening. And the latest venture capital trend is all about low-code or no-code startup, providing tools for people without technical backgrounds or non-programmers to launch their own businesses. Imagine that. Even writing code and knowing how to program will become nostalgic one day because machines can do it better, error-free. Oh, you're still learning Python? How adorable. Well, no disrespect because I tried to learn too. Not very well, but I did learn. We've been trained to think about our future based on what type of jobs the corporations will offer, but the reality is full-time employment will decline because corporations favor lower-cost contract workers and gig workers, and there simply won't be so much work the humans need to do in the future. So we need to find our niche by being better humans and doing things that humans can do but machines can't. Here are my proposal for the skills we need for the age of AI. Number 1, create and invent. Are you a consumer or a creator? Most consumers don't change the world, but creators do. We should all prioritize creating and inventing, even if it means inventing something silly that people may laugh at, because to create is human. Our ancestors survived by creating tools and solutions to solve survival problems they had, and that's how we evolved as human species. That's the evidence that being creative is innate. It's in all of us. Humans have the unique capacity to draw lines and connect dots between seemingly unrelated topics. So the more variety of different things we learn, the more creative we become. Number 2, treat ourselves as the product and take an agile approach to life. We are the product we should optimize in this product life cycle. We all need to take an agile approach to life, which means really understanding the feature requests from the market, figuring out what customers need, and evaluating what we have to offer. If we spot a gap in ability, Learn whatever is necessary to fill the gap. We consistently ship, deploy, and gather feedback, rinse and repeat. That's how we face the accelerating change with the capacity for lifelong learning, including learning about ourselves. Number 3, build communities and inspire. It's so easy to network all the computers together, centralize or distribute it, and in milliseconds they pass through terabytes of data, and all the computers on the network can save a copy of it. We humans don't have this benefit. I cannot Bluetooth my thoughts to you yet, so we have to learn how to build human communities because no one can live like an island. We're all in this together. The ability to build and inspire a community of people with shared beliefs and dreams is an essential skill in the age of AI because we're amassing the human power and potential that is the unstructured data AI cannot automate. Bonus tip: learn how to fly a spaceship by 2068 before asteroid Apophis hits Earth, potentially wiping out life on Earth, unless you can afford a SpaceX shuttle then or hope it becomes affordable.